ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan na natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Two of Wands. So, ano itong gusto nating madaliin pero nahihirapan tayo mag-take ng step o hindi natin alam kung paano to sisimulan? Umamin. The King of Cups. Pwede kasing ikaw ito, yung nakaka-feel nito or yung person na na-associate sa'yo. No? Pwede kasing gusto nitong taong ito na magsalita na about their true feelings, aminin kung either nasasaktan, natutuwa, naninibago, or meron talagang totoo ng nararamdaman. It just so happen na medyo siguro may kaba, may takot, may, parang fear ang nangingibabaw dito. Baka kapag sinabi ko, maging awkward kami, or baka kapag umamin ako, lumayo naman siya sa akin. So, as of the moment, you're settling for less. Yun yung nakikita natin, no? Kasi, parang mas okay na sa akin yung hindi ko sinasabi. At least, no, meron akong nararamdaman. Or si person, medyo nare-reach ko pa din. Pwede rin ito sa LGBTQIA+ na relationship na pwede natin sabihin na mas pinapanatili natin, iniingatan natin ang friendship, no? With the person, kahit na medyo somewhat meron ng urge of gusto ko na sanang umamin. Kaso paano pag umamin ako? Kasi pag naging awkward, mas sakit para sa atin. Kasi mas mafe-feel natin siguro na either lalayo si person or makikita natin talaga yung changes, hindi natin kakayanin. Pwede rin dito yung kapag sinabi mo, no, totally lumayo si person. Pero kalaban din natin yung sarili natin kasi nasasaktan tayo dahil gusto natin meron ng somewhat, no, understanding between you and your person. Siguro feeling mo, your person already understood what's going on, pero mas okay sana kung napag-uusapan, di ba? Mas okay sana kung alam mo na jowa kita at alam ko jowa mo ako, di ba? Parang this time, is it just one-way street? Yeah, I guess so. Na parang isa lang ang nakakaalam. With the Death card, so sinubukan natin either lumayo. Lumayo in a way not literally lumayo, or lumayo ilihis yung nararamdaman natin to some other person. Pero we keep on coming back to the person that we love, no? Parang sabi ni Miss Selena Gomez, no? The heart knows what it wants. Ayan. The heart knows kung sino yung minamahal niya and you cannot fake it, diba? You can probably fake your emotion and present it to other people, and other people may believe it, pero you cannot fake the emotion that you're feeling deep within, no? At the end of the day, nasasaktan tayo. So, with the Five of Cups, nakakahinayang kasi siguro sinasabi mo, sa dami-dami naman ng tao, dito pa tumibok ang puso ko, no? sa dami-dami ng tao, bakit sa kanya pa? Eh, it's either siguro pinapangunahan mo yung sarili mo na wala namang mangyayari. Or, bakit sa best friend ko pa, no? Nako ba, Joy? Ikaw ba yan? Parang, yes, I'm falling in love with my best friend, sabi ni Miss July na, no? With the 5 of hazards. Yeah. Parang pakiramdam natin lalayo. You're gonna feel the coldness if you're going to speak up. Speak out, speak up, speak up. If you're going to speak up, kasi na feel natin dito na I think that this might not be the right time yet. Or, parang kailangan pa, kumbaga sa lamig talaga. Parang kailangan siyang hilutin. And this may take, quite sessions for the other person to understand the dynamic that you want to have with them. Pwede kasi magkaroon to ng ma-shock, no? Ma-shock itong taong ito at bigla talagang tumakbo papalayo. I saw angel number 555, no? So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari with the full card. I feel like, bakit ganun? Siguro, this is something in your head, no? The 5 of hazard, yeah, because this is headspace. Now, let's see. Let's clarify the 5 of hazards. Kasi parang, the full card gives us a different definition. Parang, this is a plot twist. The 5 of hazards clarified with the 7 of wands and the ace of wands. Pwede namang magsalita pero paunti-unti. Yung hindi siya bibigyan ng shock factor. Kasi nakikita din natin ang sabi dito ng full card, no? May pagkakataon na mag-shift itong dynamic ninyo into something great. Pero kailangan madahan at mahinahon. Huwag siguro munang tumalon into super passionate, super zealous, or tumalon into a sexual, act with the person. Kasi marami pang bagay ang kailangan hilutin, no? Marami pang bagay ang kailangan maintindihan ni person to fully accept the dynamic or the kind of relationship that you want to have with them. Ang sinasabi lang dito, kaya nga tayo nagkaroon ng clarification, pag binigla mo, may tatakbo. So parang nandun ka nga sa medyo maingat ang dapat galaw mo. Pwede naman daw. However, yun nga, medyo kalkulado, medyo maingat, at wag itatalon into something what the lovers really do, no? Paunti-unti, no? Pwede siyang mabago. So, pwede naman pala. This is your reading. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo po'y may mga katanungan dito sa reading na ito, sa description box, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Scorpio, Virgo, Leo, Aries, Pisces. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.